What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Baby Dogecoin today. We got some stuff formulating right now inside Baby Doge, and we got some good support as well. As you can see right here at the 582, 580 area, it is forming some good support here, and it does not want to go below that. So that's very good with Baby Dogecoin. And anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And also hit the like button, subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm, and it helps me bring these videos to you guys on point, on time, because it takes a lot of time to make these videos. And also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. I would really appreciate that. So yeah, let's go over this right now and we can get some work done here with Baby Dogecoin. As you can see here with Baby Dogecoin, we were rising, we were heading right towards this resistance of 763, 765. We were heading towards that resistance, but then we got rejected because everyone knows what's going on with the China FUD. Don't even really got to talk about it because I talked about it in my last two, my Dogecoin and Shiba Inu video. So I'm not going to go over it again a third time. But anyways, if you guys don't know, China is doing more FUD and more breakdowns on on crypto. So I'm not going to go over it anymore because I'm tired of going over it. I'm tired of hearing about all of this China FUD. It's annoying at this time. But anyways, let's move on to something else because China FUD is getting really annoying. But anyways, let's talk about Baby Dogecoin. So as you can see, we had some good support here with Baby Dogecoin after the whole FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt situation. People were selling out and getting scared, running around like the sky's falling. But anyways, we came all the way down here to the support, but we had heavy support. The last time we had a little crash inside of Baby Dogecoin, all the way from up here, the last flash crash that we had, it went all the way down to the same support line. So I'm seeing this time and time again, the same support line of 580, which is a very good amount of support for us, meaning Baby Dogecoin more than likely won't go anywhere below it. Like, yes, we did go way lower than that way before this time, but if we have no more FUD situations, if the SEC doesn't come and release a bunch of FUD, if China doesn't come and release a bunch of FUD, then we'll be good. Now, something I want to talk about with that is the reason so one of the commenters actually mentioned something very important. Like, the reason there's a lot of FUD going on, they're releasing FUD on purpose. They're releasing it and then they're buying the dips. They're releasing it and buying the dips and accumulating more crypto. That's exactly what's happening. That's exactly why every time we have this huge drop, we always come and rebound immediately after. Like, nearly immediately after there's a huge sell, there's always a huge buy coming in. And that's not retail investors buying those huge dips. Like, yes, some of them are, but look, you have these huge sells and then you get some huge buys coming in right after. And that's usually because all the institutional investors, after they sell, they buy back in so then they can make more profits and they can, pick it up at lower shares. And yes, institutional investors are inside of Baby Doge. Like, we see that inside the price action here with Baby Doge. Like, retail investors do not have enough money to just sway the Baby Doge prices. Like these huge jumps that we see in Baby Dogecoin, like this, these huge buy-ins, like these huge candlesticks right here, these are usually institutional investors. And yes, we did have a coordinated buy-in, but that coordinated buy-in happened somewhere around this time here. But anyways, the coordinated buy-in didn't really work that much. Or no, not around there. I'm sorry. The coordinated buy-in was like right around here. And that's actually right when everything was going crazy. Like, literally, we had a flash crash and then we had a coordinated buy-in right as that flash crash came in. So that's why the coordinated buy-in really had no effect on Baby Doge. But it shows that even though there was a flash crash, we were very stagnant in Baby Doge, meaning the coordinated buy-in kind of counteracted the flash crash. But now we're having another crash because more institutional investors, and that's why we have these huge red candlesticks. So now it kind of looks like they're coming back in. The institutional investors, all the big people with the big money, are coming back in. And we are having some of the retail investors as well buying the dips. So shout out to everyone buying the dips out there. But anyways, remember, no financial advice here. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't throw your whole life savings into Baby Doge. Definitely be careful. Only invest what you're willing to lose. But anyway, with all that being said, we are heading quite right now towards this support line of 637, 638. I'd like to say 635, somewhere around there. But we're heading that back down to that support line. And then after we hit that support line, we're more than likely going to build more momentum to try to get back up to 675. So if we can get up to 675 resistance, that does mean that we have some more interest inside Baby Dogecoin. Is more investor interest. But something I want to say is, if there's any more FUD that happens, if the SEC comes out with some huge regulation, which usually after China FUD, the SEC of America comes and they throw in more regulations. Literally, it's like effortlessly. Like, almost every single time it happens like this. Some huge thing comes out with China, and then America comes with their own FUD. and it's like a FUD cycle. It's almost like they're coordinating it, and it's crazy the way it happens. But anyways, let's move off of the technicals. And as you can see here, this is the drop that I'm talking about here. We had this little drop because the whole China FUD. But anyways, we're still up 7.5% in the last 14 days, so that's still good. But it looks like we could possibly end up, going below it. But look at this though. This is actually really good. Like, you can see the support. You can see the support here. There was support at the same level on the 21st and support at the same level today. So we're seeing good support right now at this area down here of 580. So happy to have that support. Hopefully we can break the resistance all the way up here and break into another channel. But let's move on from there. Now, let's show some more of the buy orders. As you can see, we can see some buy orders formulating here, but now there is some selling formulating here with Baby Doge. But the fully diluted market cap now at $253 million over here. So we are seeing some good orders flowing in, way more buy orders than sell orders coming in right now. Oh, we just now had a huge sell order, a $128 billion sell order. So yeah, or not $28 billion, I mean 128 million Baby Doge, or 128 billion Baby Doge, coming out to be 2.21 BNB. We could do that actually. Let's see what that would formulate to be. So 0.21 BNB. BNB is right here, 352. So 0.21 BNB, 0.21 times 352, $73. All right, so that's not that big of an order right there. It's only $73. I think it's only $73. Let's see if I would do 352 divided by 0.21. So yeah, that was actually $1,600, not 73. So yeah, a $1,600 order of a sell in Baby Doge. That's not even that big, to be completely honest. Like, most of them are buy orders here. Huge buys left and right. We got a bunch of buys, and then we have some sells, but the sells are not as significant as the buys that we have. So we're definitely doing good on there. And yeah, after you see the little sell order, you definitely see the candlesticks going down. So anyways, there is some price action going on here in Dogecoin. A lot of fluctuation in Baby Doge, but it's nothing to worry about. But anyways, over here, 608,000 holders. That's 608,821. Hit that refresh button, and now we are at 608,845. So yeah, every day we're getting new people here inside Baby Doge. So shout out to all the new holders of Baby Dogecoin. And now this is the big news for the day. So our big news for the day, as you can see over here, are you ready for the 4-month party on burn of Baby Dogecoin on October 1st, 11 a.m. October 1st, literally inside of 6 days, October 1st. I think it might be 7 days, October 1st. But yeah, in about a week on the 1st at 11 a.m., we're going to have this 2 quadrillion burn plus 10 billion for every retweet. So look at how many retweets we have. So we're going to do this 10 billion per every retweet. So let's do $10 billion. This is 10 million. This is 10 billion. So yeah, $10 billion times, I think you would do times 700. So anyways, this is million, billion, trillion. So far, 77.2 trillion will be added onto that 2 quadrillion. So it will be 2.77 quadrillion burned. If you guys keep retweeting this, we will have way more burned. And then we can do 3 quadrillion and hopefully 4 to 5 quadrillion by the time it reaches October 1st. So yeah, that's really good right there. That's really good that they're still doing these burns and that they're actually giving people an incentive to retweet it more. There's more retweets than likes. So that shows you how significant the Baby Dogecoin army is. 1 quadrillion is worth a estimated 610,000. Wow. 1 quadrillion is 610,000. So far, if 1 quadrillion is 610,000, then we have 2.77 quadrillion. So you would do 610,000 times 2, which would be 1.2 $1.2 million, somewhere around there. Actually no, that would be $1.2 million, $1.21 million. So yeah, $1.21 million, and then plus the 77.2 trillion that we have right now formulating. Trying to do this math in my head, so that would be give or take about 1.3, maybe 1.5. Actually, no, not 1.3, 1.5, 1.7 trillion, somewhere around there. But yeah, this is our 1.7 million. I'm sorry, not trillion. But yeah, that's $1.7 million so far that will be burned. And if you guys keep retweeting it, we could hopefully get it up to $2 million, which would come out to be a whole of 3.77 quadrillion. And hopefully we can almost get up to 4 quadrillion like the last one, because that will be really good. Now, this is huge news for Baby Doge. Big news here. And we got more stuff formulating in Baby Dogecoin. Look at this. This is literally in Times Square in New York. All these people, millions of people going by looking at this right here. I mean, just New York just looks so crazy. like driving around Miami, that it just drives me crazy driving around Miami. The traffic is terrible in Miami. People crash 24/7 in Miami. Literally, so many. Like when I went to Miami, literally I seen about 10 accidents within one day. Now that's huge. And I remember driving across the bridge to Miami Beach, and it was literally pouring down raining. Someone just speeding inside a Challenger starts to spin out, crashes. Like it's just crazy in Miami. And then would you guys even want to drive around this traffic? I wouldn't even be driving around here. I'd just be taking taxis like everyone else. But yeah, anyways, it's just me ranting on this. But yeah, that's pretty cool here that we got the Baby Doge one. And I'm surprised that they picked the yellow one because I didn't really like the yellow banner. I like the purple one, and that's what I recommended because, like, look at this, like yellow and red next to the red over here, and then the McDonald's sign. It just the color coordination doesn't go too well. It doesn't stand out as much as the purple one would have. The purple and blue one would have standed out way more next to yellow and red. It's just it's colors and marketing. Like red makes people want to actually purchase things, and yellow makes people kind of skeptical on things, but blue and purple kind of is like emotions. Blue and purple, they are emotional colors, so you could definitely get people emotional with this middle one. I was looking at it from a psychological point of view, but I guess they were looking at it from a marketing point of view. Red would make you want to buy stuff, but it looks more pink than red. But anyways, it's next to a red banner, so hopefully that hits in people's mind. It makes people actually want to buy things. Look up the psychology of colors. It's definitely a really good thing if you're a marketer and doing some marketing. It's definitely a really good thing. But anyways, I would have really liked this purple one. But I guess the yellow one's still cool. It's still cool that it's up there. Now, it was up for about 24 hours, I believe. So it's probably down by now. But yeah, that's pretty big inside Times Square. Like literal Baby Doge thing inside of Times Square. It's huge. And you got people staring at it. Like, look, I think I can see a few people maybe looking at it. Like this person right there looks like they're looking at it. And they're probably taking pictures. They're probably part of the Baby Doge army right there. But anyways, lots of people are inside of New York. So this was huge promotion for us. So shout out to the Baby Doge Army for winning that contest and getting on there. That's really big for us. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. I had to come over here, talk about the Baby Doge because Baby Doge is going crazy. I mean, just crazy stuff fundamentally, inside of the technicals, we're going crazy down because of the FUD. But if the FUD wasn't here, we would definitely rise. Now, give it about a year and watch Baby Dogecoin just completely destroy these numbers. Like, these numbers are pitiful compared to what we could do inside of a year. Like, let's look at the 4-hour chart. Like, looking at the 4-hour chart, let's say inside of a year, like, none of this is going to matter. We're going to be way above what we used to be at, and we're going to be doing some really good numbers here in Baby Dogecoin. Like, really good numbers. But anyways, yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if you all like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel immensely with the YouTube algorithm, and I also put a lot of time into these videos. Leave a comment in the comment section also, and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And don't forget to also check out the other stuff. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Spotify Music, Apple Music, all that. Check out the Beat Stars if you guys make music or want some beats for your background music on YouTube. And check out all that stuff, and I'll be back in another video. Peace.